Struggling to change that call to action button in Namecheap? In 2 minutes, you will know exactly how to edit the text and the link. No more guessing, no more generic buttons that nobody clicks. Let us get that fixed right now. First, open up your site inside the Namecheap website builder. Then, follow these simple steps to update the button. It is easier than you think. So start by navigating to your site in Namecheap's editor. You will want to be on the page that actually has that call to action section. Once you are there, take a moment to find the button itself. It is usually sitting inside a block with some text above it, something like a headline and then the button underneath. That is the part we are going to customize. Now, click on the button element to select it. You will know it is selected because you will see a blue outline or some handles appear around it. Sometimes it can be a little tricky to grab the actual button and not the whole section behind it. So if you click once and see the whole block highlighted, just click again right on the button text itself. That should do the trick. Once the button is selected, look for the settings icon. It's usually a little gear or an icon that looks like a pencil. Sometimes you can double-click on the button to open the options directly. In my experience, double-clicking is the fastest way. But if that does not work, just find that gear icon in the toolbar that pops up. Click on it. In the Settings panel, you will see a field for the button text. Right now, it probably says something generic, like Learn More or Get Started. That is fine for a template, but you want it to match your brand and your offer. So type your new call to action right into that text field. Something direct and clear that tells people exactly what happens next. Maybe shop now, or book a call, or get your free guide, whatever fits your site. And here is the really important part. After you change the text, you need to update the link. Look for the link field right below the text field. Paste your desired URL in there. This is where you want people to go when they click the button. It could be a product page, a contact form, or a sign-up page. Just make sure the link works. A broken link is the fastest way to lose a potential customer. Now, while you are in there, you might want to customize the button style. You can adjust the colors, the size, or even the font to match your brand. This is optional, but if you have brand colors, this is the time to apply them. It makes the button feel like it belongs on your site, instead of looking like a leftover template piece. Once you are happy with the text and the link, do not forget to save your changes. The Save button is usually in the top right corner of the editor. Click it, then preview the page to make sure everything looks right. Click on the button in preview mode to test that the link actually goes where you wanted it to go. This is a step I never skip. It only takes a second, and it saves you from embarrassing mistakes. And that is it. You went from a default unclickable button to a custom call to action that actually works for your business. You can do this for any button on any page in the Namecheap builder. So go ahead, give it a try. Your visitors will thank you.